Okay, I thought I'd do a quick review of the new electric motor headlight conversion kit that I received from Rich Worley. And when you order the kit, you receive the motors, you receive the instruction sheets here with step-by-step instructions. And also you can request a series of photographs that show different steps of the installation procedure and what you will be expected to do. Now, this is something that many people can do themselves, but if you feel at all unsure about any of the procedures, you should feel free to take it to your trusted neighborhood mechanic, as I did. And shout out to Long's Garage in Urbana for their wonderful work. Rudy and Lester and everybody over at Long's Garage did a fantastic job installing this. And here's some pictures of the motors, and you can see how it all hooks up. And as I said, it's all covered in the instruction sheet as well. The one thing that you want to be aware of is, if you look at Rich's videos online, he demonstrates with the motors out of the car, and it's not necessary to take them out to do this procedure. He just had them out to make it easier to see how the installation works. Leave everything in the car except what he instructs you to remove, which would be, of course, the vacuum pod actuators and all the old unreliable stuff. Here's his information again, if I can get it. There it is. Okay, so let's take a look at this. Is with no key. You don't have to start the engine. You don't need vacuum pressure to build. You don't need anything like that. This is instantaneous and reliable electric headlight motor. Here we go. This will show you how fast this works. Just that fast. Much better than waiting for the unsure, slow lifting of the original vacuum actuators. The one thing you need to be aware of also is that you will lose the ability to drive around with just your side marker and running lights on, you know, in the mid position of the switch, since it's wired directly into this into the side marker light. As soon as you pull this switch, they're going to go all the way up. But the headlights are off now at the halfway position, so you have to pull them all the way out for them to go on. And then, of course, you have to hit the foot pedal down there to get the high beams to go on. So, small price to pay. It will depend on the individual whether or not they want to retain the ability to run with running lights and headlights down. If so, you have to wire it directly to this switch, and if there's another video online, I think Detroit Speed Shop, and it shows that you have to do some dash assembly. It's a lot more work. Different wiring harness probably will be required. So anyway, let's raise them up. Let's also open the hood. We'll take a look here. You can see how fast they come up, how great they look. And now if you look, I'll get my flashlight in there. You can see how nice they are when you receive them. They look like brand new parts. Wiring harnesses are all brand new. The motors may be reconditioned, I'm not sure, but everything is freshly painted. All the bolts are all brand new. So you'll notice it seems like there's a lot more room up front here now with all the vacuum stuff taken out. Anyway, I like them. They look great. They work very fast. I don't mind losing the running only with the running lights on and headlights down. I really only use my headlights when it's getting dark and I'm heading home, so not a problem for me. That's going to vary from person to person. Anyway, we lower them now. Watch how fast they go down. And in perfect sync too. That's the way I've always wanted my headlights to work. So a great big thank you to Rich Worley, and there's his information. It's a fairly expensive but highly desirable improvement to your car, and so I highly recommend them.